afternoon po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ng inyong pong lingkod. So today is May 11, May 13 na 2026 at tayo ngayon ay papunta dito yan sa may Vesta Mall, Las Piñas Building, Alabang Zapote Road, Film Life, Pamplona 2, Las Piñas. At dadalhin po natin yan sa may Hotel Sogo, Alabang, sa may Alabang Muntinlupa. Okay po, so magbabalik po tayo mamaya po pag nakuna po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Makinig tayo ng mga nagbabagong balita.
Tactical ban. So that means they were already inside. Kasi medyo nagpipilit akong lumabas sa office nung nangyari. Pero ayaw ng mga security. And they said hindi talaga secured dito.
And Secretary John Vic told you, NBI. Yun ang reaction niya, Secretary.
Yung sinabi niya kagabi, ayokong kasi usapan namin hindi mo na babanggitin, but yung binasa ko sa inyo ngayon galing kay Sec John Vic. May konti lang difference kasi sa by the way, hindi ibig sabihin galing kay Sec John Vic, sinabi niya. Ibig sabihin yung investigation nila nakababa yung barrel, as of yung atin nag-tactical position sila. Yung kalaban. Yes. Give that part then and part na sinabi ko. I don't know. Yes. Voluntary siyang umalis. What we're protecting actually is the sanctity of the Senate, hindi siya. Like any other citizen, he has his rights. As a person, as Alan Cayetano, as a lawyer, I'll protect his right kahit saan siya. As Senate President, I'm protecting the integrity ng Senate. Na kung mag-aaresto ka dito, dapat legitimate, dapat coordinated, at kung wala ng legal remedy, will allow you, but better, will convince him to surrender.
So now he's on his own?
Our prayers are with him. Hindi ko pa nakita. It's just like using PS car. It's not illegal. There's no warrant of arrest. Walang obstruction of justice because you know, to obstruct justice, you have to know. So kung hinahabol ka nila, walang mapakitang warrant sa akin, tinago kita, walang obstruction of justice yun. Pinakita nila sa akin yung warrant, di ba? Tapos nag-block tayo na itago kita. Not yet. There's no warrant eh.
Sir, but the warrant by the ICC was made public on Monday. So how did the Senate treat it? Because as far as they're concerned, there's no warrant. But the ICC made public the warrant of the Senate.
Who will we believe? ICC mismo nagsabi nung Sunday, wala. Kaya nga, tapos, so ano, Monday lang nila lumabas. Sabi ni Trillanes, 6 months na daw yun eh.
Sir, you warrant
I'll clarify that. We don't take judicial notice of that stuff. You have to come to us and present it. So kung meron sa internet na one of you may warrant of arrest, hindi ko na kayo mapapasukin ng Senate at arrestuin ko na kayo. Hindi ba dapat pumunta dito yung polis na dala tapos sinabi, No, I'll tell you why. Because the ICC said they have a secret warrant. They said they have a secret. No, guys, believe me, i-research nyo, i-google nyo ngayon. Sinabi ng ICC na under their rules, pwede nilang secret yung warrant. Sinabi nila yan a few months ago. That's why tumakbo si Senator Bato sa Supreme Court. Kasi hindi niya nakita. When's the first time that you heard na meron talagang warrant? Nung Sunday. Where's the first time na nakita nyo? Nung Monday. At ano bang paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa lahat? Diba? It has to be a Philippine warrant. So if there's a warrant for any of you here, na kung saan-saan, etc., at walang nagpapakita sa akin, hindi ko rin papayagan na arestuhin kayo sa loob ng Senado. It's just that simple. Yes, go ahead. Sure.
We were there yesterday, and we were made to kind of stay on the side. And even the OSA actually said that they were going to arrest somebody. They said that contact ng camera, may arrest sila, nagpalit sila ng domet, pero sabi nung unang muna yung article of impeachment. After that, pumunta na sila dito sa kanilang part. And then, sumunod kami sa likod. Sabi na ng number ko. So, I just wanted to ask, did they ever tell you who he was planning to arrest? Because they had a purpose
No.
when they went there.
No,
Who was
so-
saying was attacked.
So I'll tell you 100%. Yes,
When you're claiming that,
it's not inconsistent because you arrest someone who's trying to enter the Senate.
so you're being attacked. You're being attacked.
I only use the words attacked when everyone confirmed that we were fired upon.
But it's not clear who he was
So,
trying to arrest.
I'll tell you this, If I go to you and say, please leave the room, I'm not attacking you.
No, I don't
Diba?
think
No,
that's-
no, okay, yeah. Or if I say, ma'am, can you take a seat? I'm not attacking you, right? But if I take out a gun and you tell me, sir, you can touch me, or sir, move away, and tinutukan kitang barel, that's already maybe a motion going to, but when I actually fire the gun, so I'll tell you to answer your question directly, okay? I don't know the exact time, but the Sergeant of Arms went in to say, sir, the GSIS is inspecting cars. And when I talked to the administrator, he told me that they are heightening security. And then he said, I asked him, so if a senator uses your gate, will you have them open your car, which is illegal? Which the NBI said in Monday they did not do. But one of the news channels, you actually captured that, di ba? Yung may puting van, and then they showed the plate number 7, and
Wala po, andito na po ako, ma'am. Saan po kayo? Po?
Dito po, bababa na po. Bababa na. Papunta na po dyan.
Sige po, ma'am. Dito lang po sa KFC po, ma'am.
I want
Head
to know
southeast, then in
who asked
30
him to do
meters,
that,
turn left
and
onto
if he
CD
knows
Star
not
Avenue.
illegal to inspect our, because they were closing that gate if we didn't allow. So is it safe for all of us to have one gate? So after that, every 5-10 minutes, I was trying to get an update. Then everything happened. So when I said at the first time I used attack, sorry, I was really dizzy and had a headache and was really on the ball last night. I don't know where I first used the attack, but I'm 100% sure. If you look at my FB live, I delayed that still for a few minutes because I didn't want to be alarmist. And I tried to make it to you here in the second floor, but they didn't allow me. So, pinagalitan pa ako nung una to turn the lights on to do the Facebook Live because now if there's a shooter, it'll be mahirap. No? But sorry, I just want to say, there's no dispute at this point in time. It's an attack. Ang question lang, who attacked? That's the only question.
I think you can give details para nakapasok. May lagusan doon. May lagusan po ba? GSIS.
Same sa inyo, hindi ko alam. Kasi remember, I wasn't in the Senate since TFA ako until 2022. So the first time sa fifth floor na nakita ko yung mga rooms doon sa city, kung may lagusan doon, then when they told me binabarena na yung doors, kasi we didn't see, but I saw it in one news channel. It was either Channel 7 or 2. Is there anything there?
Eh, pinakula namin may kinalaman doon yung pagpasok ng kalaban.
At that time, yun ang report ng staff ko that pinapatigil nila at tinatanong nila kung nagpipilit. So try to our frame of mind, no? We're on high alert, everything's happening, nagkakaputukan, then they're telling them to stop, and you're still doing that. In the meantime, may kilala kasi ako sa isang pulis sa labas. I went out, diba, nung 2 o'clock. Tinatawagan ko, at that point in time pala, hindi nila alam na may nangyayari sa loob. This was before I did the Facebook and before I confirmed that. We really thought it was fireworks.
May kinalaman sa kung paano.
I haven't seen the report conclusive na yon, but all throughout because we felt that. And until Sec John Vic left, hindi namin malam yung motive eh.
42 minutes of
If they got
6
in
PM,
by stealth, where would they go? Sa media, sa akin, will they get Sen Bato? If nagputukan na, would they retreat? Or hindi namin alam hanggang ngayon anong mission, ilan sila and everything. That's why nga, the best thing for all of us is for to cooperate and finish this investigation.
But as for investigation next week, may lagusan nga. Kasi hindi natin alam, may lagusan nga doon.
Sorry, we can look at it now, but I don't really know.
Sir, kanina madaling araw, meron kang lumabas na sasakyan sa Senate parking. Could that have been him?
I'm not sure, basta ang sabi sa akin ni Jinggoy was around 3 a.m. Then I heard from the palace.
Baliktad yata dapat doon.
On May 14, 2026, at around 2:30, the communications secretary reported to the Sergeant's Arms that Senator Bato, together with Senator Padilla, had left the Senate premises. Upon receiving the report, the Sergeant's Arms with Sec Mendoza proceeded to verify the information, etc., etc. But as I said, no, from report sa akin, but yeah, so no,
One
so
way lang to.
I got that, I got information, so some of the news, so yung kanina, pinakit ko siya, kasi sabi ko, baka nag-Burger King lang, bumalik, or you never know talaga eh. And sabi nga, sir, confirmed wala ako. So sabi ko, then give me your earlier report. But I told them not to worry about it because, I mean, sabi ko nga sa kanila, I would have rather he stay. I would rather we but it's his call. And I told the USA and the Secretary, you didn't do anything illegal. You had no legal authority to stop him. No, yung sinabi lang they left. Hindi sinabing together or whatever. I haven't asked. I haven't talked to. I just read it to you. Yeah. No, I'm just saying ito. Together with Senator Padilla. So I don't know if they left together or they both left. I just reading to you. I don't know. I haven't asked. I haven't talked to Senator Padilla. But if they did, there's nothing illegal with it. Sila talaga magkasama sa taas. Yeah, around and about. There's nothing illegal eh. Unlike the former majority that keeps looking at every single detail sa CCTV, we're focused on the attack on the Senate. I would have rather Senator Bato stay here because I want him in the impeachment, but it's his choice. Diba? He was not under any obligation to tell me there's no warrant that was presented to me. If the NBI showed me the warrant, then I would have talked to Senator Bato. They did not. They had, it's Thursday. They did not submit it. There's something going on with the NBI.
You alluded to a certain deal that you had.
Deal with, sorry.
But there was a deal, and you said that you're going to protect Senator Bato. There will be no arrest. So what deal were you referring to?
There's no deal. When we spoke with the NBI director, sinabi niya, now that I know that yun ang stand, as soon as we heard sa session hall, we will respect. At ang sinabi ko sa kanya, sir, meron kang mga boss. May DOJ, may kabinete, may ES, may presidente. Get instructions from them before you promise me anything. Yung sinabi, if I use the word deal, what I said is we had an agreement. Number one, he'll send a letter with the impeachment, with the warrant of arrest from the ICC. Number two, he will conduct an investigation impartially on the 9 that tried to arrest Senator Bato and on the people who beat up yung USAA. And then he asked, and that was the controversial one that I had to consult, na under his custody muna yung siyam na content, yun lang. Yeah, until now they haven't given us a report. Until now, NBI hasn't given us anything except headings. Ano kasi, it was, how do I put it, it was one of like the action movies eh. Things just so happened so fast. So, he was there, kalma kayo, what's happening, nandito, can we let the police in? Ganyan. Then afterwards nga, he said the president wants to talk to the SP, i-report ko na sa'yo kung ano yung mga assurances. Then as it wound down, yun nga, he asked na pwede bang paalisin na yung mga staff, pwede ba yung mga senador mahuli, because we want to assure your safety. We thank him kasi sa dami ng tinawagan, siya yung nag-respond kaagad. He left, he went, he whispered to me lang and to the others about the bag. Going in and out, asked me if you can see Senator Bato. Initially, yes, then no. And then yun nga, sa 5th floor, sinamahan niya ako, then we went to see you. When we were in the room, wrapping up, I announced na to my staff, you can leave the room na, they can go home. Then doon niya sinabi sa akin, then someone showed me a video na may pinagakit na, may na-arrest na. No? And yun, yung iba, then I walked in when he was talking to the officials and I said, so before I went to see the general, bumaba bigla si Senator Bato. He's very fresh. The night before, Wednesday and Tuesday, I saw him physically and emotionally drained. But, pagbaba niya, and then, nag-usap silang dalawa eh. I mean, we were all there. Robin, I'm not sure where Robin is, basta sila, Secretary Mulya, kasi I was waiting eh. So, where's my room, sir? Before midnight, kasi mga 11:45 utos na. Siguro mga 10 kaya? 11? 10? No, I left kasi mga 11:45 na eh. Yeah, mga 11 time. Hilig nila humingi, ayaw nila mag-cooperate. Diba, ang nag-iimbestiga nito, inutusan na ng presidente ang PNP at ang DILG. Diba, what's the motive ng NBI? They are part of the investigation. How will they investigate themselves? Meron na ang PNP at saka ang SILG eh. So if they want to share that with the NBI, call nila yon. Call nila yon. We were completely transparent. Yes, ma'am.
You took leadership on Monday, right? A lot happened. I mean, even...
I have to be honest. At between 5:30 and 6 o'clock yesterday, when they told me nag-adjourn yung session, I took a deep breath and I said, I lasted 3 days, not knowing that the rest of the night will be...
Violent incident in recent Philippines Senate.
In the Senate.
Unity, and it became a battleground. And there's a lot of criticism now about your ability to handle this crisis and your effectivity as a Senate leader. And then on top of it, despite your assurances that Senator Bato will be here, this escape. What do you now say about
Okay.
being made responsible?
Number one, my whole life people doubted me. But God does not doubt me. So I'll do my best. My best is good enough for everyone. Thank you. If not, there are 23 other senators you can choose from. Now, as far as escaping, he did not escape. He chose to leave. When you escape, you are under arrest, you're under detention. So everyone, including his wife, used the word escape, but actually he did not escape. No, I mean in the technical legal sense. If you're talking in the colloquial sense na hawak kita, escape, then correct naman yon. That's why I admit even his wife used that, but it's not the in legal parlance, hindi escape, umalis siya, or he left. So, no one has to take responsibility for that. Would I have rather he stayed here? Yes.
SP, balik tayo dun sa CCTV, doon dito sa shooting incident. Na-secure na po ba siya, and at the same time, yung CCTV po?
To be fair kay Sen. John Vic, papunta pa lang siya, and he said he'll be here 10 minutes. Yung una niya pinasecure. Then, as soon as he got here, nagharap sila ni Osaa. And I told Osaa, make sure, in front of them, 2 puppies. Meron tayo, meron sila. So, the only time, I think, nung may nahuli, there was no Osaa in the room. So, sila nag-interview. But when I talked to Sec. John Vic, kahit sumama kayo sa inquest, kahit gusto nyo makita, I think, I'm not sure kung may video, but that we're sharing information with the PNP and the DILG.
Will this be made public for transparency?
It should. I think they just want to complete para walang speculation. Right now, right now yun lang ang alam ko. Let me check after the inquest kung nandun. But I feel free to direct your questions then to the Chief PNP or Sec Remulla. I just don't want to put words in their mouths now. Yes, sir.
What kind of arrest warrant would you recognize? I mean,
In the Senate? Philippine Court. Philippine Court or a Supreme Court decision saying that a ICC warrant is as good as a Philippine Court warrant. Because in my view, in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case, nakalagay doon that if any provision or any treaty is against the Constitution shall prevail. And the Philippine Constitution said that the only valid warrant is a warrant of arrest from a Philippine judge. So does that make it constitutional? No, the Supreme Court also said that any law that when you apply it is against our Constitution, you have to read that law with our Constitution. And this is my question sa lahat ng nag-advocate niyan. Abogado pa naman sila, human rights lawyers pa naman sila. Ang Canada, kailangan ka muna dumaan sa korte nila. Ang Korea, kailangan muna dumaan sa kanilang Most, if not all, of the countries that are under the ICC has this rule. Bakit bukod tangi na gusto nyo ang Pilipinas ay pwedeng ang dayuhan ay dumating na lang at arestuhin ng isang Pilipino? Why do all other countries provide that their judicial authorities cannot be bypassed? Why are we insisting na ma-bypass yun? Ano ba mawawala sa atin na dadaan muna sa Philippine courts? Wala.
if all enforced with ICC warrant ilaan sa Philippine Court under Article 59 po ng Rome Statute, would the Senate honor that?
Of course, because the Philippine court will be the one to issue the warrant.
The Philippine Court would not issue the warrant but will force through the warrant from the ICC.
That's the same. The same. I understand what you... Yes, because then it will be a Philippine court. Diba? So the example I gave, sorry, I forgot na, no? If I had a tweet, Peter Alan Cayetano, may ICC warrant, ang hinuli, si Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa Hague na ako magpapaliwanag na, hoy, ako si Alan Peter, ang hinuhuli niyo si Peter Alan. Kaya nga sa Philippine court muna, para if I have any defenses, doon muna. So nung bata ako, may kasabihan na hindi pwede yung sa presinto na magpaliwanag. Diba? Dapat meron kang warrant or you're committing the act nahuli ka in flagrante delicto or while committing it. Diba? Pero yung sabihin lang ng, uy, kamukha mo yung pumatay last week. Halika nga dito sa presinto ka. Hindi pwede yon. Kaya hindi rin pwedeng sa Hague ka na lang magpaliwanag. You know, all Senator Bato is asking for is stay in court in Philippine court.
As a lawyer, kapag sinabing under protective custody mo, ibig sabihin ikaw ang may sinasabi na ilabas yung tao. Kapag hindi sa iyo, yun po yung nasa rules of court, sinabi niyo po yun sa powers person agreement. What is the Senate stance on this and paano po ito i-enforce if ever na ito rin yung stance ng Senate?
Well, number one, sa 5 sinabi ni Director, 6 ang mali. Okay? Sinabi niyang ibibigay niya warrant, sabi niya ibibigay niya yung report, sabi niya, papakita niya na hindi sila yung gumulpe, sinabi niya na hindi sila nag-inspection ng mga kotse, tapos sinabi niya pa ulit-ulit yesterday, walang NBI sa Senado. PNP na mismo nagsabi. So ang problema, the director seems to be lying to someone. He's lying to the palace, he's lying to me, he's lying to us, he's lying to ano. So ayusin niya muna sarili niya. Diba? They're under investigation also eh. So, ilabas niya muna lahat ng facts bago kami mag-usap. Oh. What does protective mean? Pro-protectionan mo. Oh. Pag ayaw mo na yung protection ko, arrestuin kita. Diba? So pag kayo sa media pumunta dito, sir, Sikh Sanctuary, bakit? Sabi nila police, pero tingin namin hindi police, huliin kami. Oh, umuwi sila, wala na. Sir, thank you sa protection niyo, uwi na ako. Oh, hindi naman itong korte. Na yung korte kasi, pag sinabing under the custody, instead of bail, diba? So instead of bail, pupunta doon. So, diba? So, I mean, ang request ko lang from the government and from the NBI director, do statements na makakatulong. Di ba, kung gusto niyong pulihin si Senator Bato, then do your job. Eh, ang problema, pinagbintangan na nila lahat eh. Pinagbintangan nila si Senator Soto na pinapasok sila. Pinagbintangan si Senator Bato dahil hinabol daw siya dahil tumakbo siya. O pinagbintangan nila ang Senado, sinara daw namin. Kaya, di ba, they can do their job. I don't even know why they're involved. Because he came here and he asked for the tradition to be followed that before he is arrested, two things have to happen. He present ang warrant and he exhaust niya yung legal ano. So until last night, wala namang present sa kanya. So how could I act upon something I do not have? He did not ask for that. He did not ask for that. And sa tono sa akin nung wife is that he's on his own. But we're praying for him and I hope he'll be okay. Maybe because of the electronic face na. Thank you guys.
Balikan natin si Viva Ravelo, di ba?
Ayan, si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. So, medyo natigasan kanina, no, nung tinanong kung attack ba yun, kung nag-warning shot lang yung mga taga-NBI, sabi niya, attack daw ba yun sa Senate? Hindi pa ba under attack at under siege ang Senado, samantalang may nagtangkang pumasok dito sa Gusali na armado at gagamit ng pwersa, medyo napikon pa doon. Anyway, so ang kay Senate President Alan Cayetano na confirmation ngayon, wala na si Senator De La Rosa dito sa building. Nalaman niya dahil muna sa isang tawag ni Senator Jingo Estrada kaninang hapon. And then, nag-text sa kanya ang misis ni Senator De La Rosa at humihingi ng paumanhin at nagpapasalamat din. So ito yung bali yung laman ng text message ng asawa ni Senator De La Rosa. Basically, ang sinasabi dito ay sa tingin ni Senator De La Rosa ay mas, ayun, bagitin ko ng double bang, yung text message niya kay Senate President Cayetano, I'd like to ask for forgiveness for all the confusion and the havoc it has created in the Senate. It is for this reason that Senator Bato escaped yung term. Sinabi na habang tumatagal daw kasi dito sa loob ay mas nadadamay. Alam daw nilang hindi lulusubin ng NBI, ng CBC, Police o Militar ang Senado kung wala siya sa loob. So mas nangingibabaw daw kay Senator De La Rosa ang safety ng lahat kaya lumabas dito. So ang thesis, ang report ng USAA, 2:30 ng madaling araw nang umalis dito si Senator De La Rosa. Ang report ng USAA, umalis pati si Senator Robin Padilla pero hindi klaro kung magkasama sila sa sasakyan at kung umalis man, hindi naman yan illegal dahil wala namang warrant of arrest laban kay De La Rosa at hindi naman siya under custody o hindi naman siya under ng hindi naman siya para ikulong dito sa Senado. Binigyan siya ng o isinailalim siya sa protective custody pero dahil lumabas siya dito ay ibig sabihin binitiwan na at hinubad na niya yung protective custody sa kanya ng Senado. Sabi ni
So wala na protection siya from the Senate?
Oo, wala na.
So pwede na ba siyang habulin ng mga otoridad using on the basis ng ICC warrant?
Kay Senate President Cayetano at sa majority pa rin, parte pa rin, kailangan pa rin, kahit may ACC warrant of arrest, kailangan dumaan pa rin sa proseso, sa korte pa rin. Pero as to his physical safety, ay wala na. Lumabas na siya ng Senado. So natanong ko naman kay Senate President kung yung protective custody ba, kailangan physical custody o pwede ba siyang nasa Senate custody pa rin kahit wala dito sa loob ng Gusali. Ang sabi niya, hindi naman na-request yun ni Senator De La Rosa na under protective custody pa rin kahit wala siya dito sa Gusali. At kung natanong ko siya, so ibig sabihin, he is on his own. Sabi niya ay pinagdadasal siya si Senator De La Rosa. We are praying for him. So basically, he's on his own.
Ibig sabihin din ito, hindi siya ulit magpapakita ng Senate at aattend ng mga session.
Yan ang tanong. At saka sana itatanong pa sana din natin kung paano yung edit complaint kay Senator De La Rosa. Di ba nakareklamo nga siya dahil hindi po mapasok sa UDN, bumoto lang sa Honduras para sa Senate presidency, umatenda hapon, Lunes hanggang Miyerkules, tapos wala na ulit kasi kung paanong magiging disposition sa kanya. So yan ang karagdagan pang tanong. At saka yun nga, isikot ba sa sarili, pinapupundi ng Senado bilang impeachment court. So titignan natin. At saka kung ano yung sa circumstansya ng pag nakasama si Senator Robin Padilla o umalis dito si Senator Bato de la Rosa, sabi ni kayo tanong, wala na pabilidad dahil hindi naman na umagaan na naman si Senator de la Rosa dahil para sa kanila, walang independent na warrant of arrest dapat sa kanya. And then, yung report ng police sa shooting incident na gabi, ang sabi niya, ang report ng DILG Secretary, Christy Remulla, ay ang kay Remulla, ang sabi ay sa putukan, ang count niya, 27 mula sa Senado, 5 mula sa other side. Ito yung sa NBI. Nag-verbal warning daw yung USAA. Ang tinutukoy dito, si acting Senate Sergeant at Arms sa Aplaska. Oo. Hindi daw tumigil yung kabilang side na sa kanilang pag-attempt na pumasok dito sa Senate. So, nagpuputok in the air as warning ang USAA. Pero, ang ginawa daw, nung sa kabila, ay nung una muna nag-verbal warning. Pero, nag-tactical position. Ibig sabihin, pumorma na makikipagbarilan. At hindi din tumigil from trying to get inside, to get in the Senate. Kaya nagpuputok in the air, ang sinasabi ay si Aplaska, and then nagpuputok yung kabila pabalik. So, ayun, ang suspect. Nagbunti ka ng, magbari na kung tira ko, laban sa gobyerno.
Ayun nga. At nasa loob pa na institusyon ng Senado.
Ayun, oo.
At napakaraming tao sa loob. Doon ako natakot kagabi dito na napakarami ninyo na cover the very close range. Any moment, pwede kayong tamaan ng bala.
Oo. At tayo yung magkausap on the air kahapon, nung bigla na lamang nagputukan.
Yes.
Oo, dinidescribe natin na papunta sa hallway.
Yes.
Sinugod nila yung sa area ng second floor kung saan ay mayroon silang nalaman na mayroong armed men na nagtatangkang pumasok. So in full battle gear lahat sila sa pangunguna ni General Aplaska na naka-bulletproof vest, habang armas. Hanggang narinig na nga natin on the air yung putukan. Buti na lamang walang nasaktan, walang duguan, di ba? Walang namatay. So ngayon, ang sabi ni si Senate President Cayetano kay Director Matibag kasi hanggang sa huli, tinatanggi niya na utos niya at may tauhan ng NBI na lumusok dito, hindi ng mga tauhan ng NBI yung pumunta dito. Pero ano, videos ng mga taga-NBI ang pumunta at ito report na rin ng DILG. Kaya sabi niya kanina, sa limang sinabi daw ni Atty. Matibag, anin yung mali.
mag-change ng destination, di ba?
Sinungalingan si Matibag.
Saan po ba, ma'am?
Sa ATC.
May joint investigation ang Senado.
Saan po ba banda yun, ma'am?
Diyan, lampas lang lampas dito sa South.
Ng Senado.
Ay, ibig sabihin dito na yun? Banda?
Doon pa. Layo pa naman.
Ay, kung medyo malapit-lapit na yan, ma'am, I doubt, hindi na po kayo makakapag-check.
Try natin. Kasi sabi dito, tanong daw muna sa driver.
Kasi pag hindi po kami pumayag, hindi po kayo pwedeng mag-change kasi ang tinanggap namin yung original na ano po.
Nagtaka pumasok dito at nagkaroon ng putukan dito sa Senado.
Kasi kaya nga
Bababa na lang ako dun kuya sa
footage na yan, wala bang nakakakita niyan? Sila pa
Layo
lamang.
pa naman.
Kasi mahalaga yan. Kasi dyan
Nadadaanan po siya?
yung
Oo,
eksaktong
sunod
lugar
nauna
kung saan
dito yun.
nagkaroon ng
Okay,
putukan.
sige, sige.
Yung
Sa
mismong pintuan na sinasabing pilit na
Sige po.
binubuksan. Tama ba?
Oo. So, dalawa yung kailangan i-produce sa CCTV footages mula sa Senado at mula din sa GSIS. Kasi may sarili doon na mga footages din. So, yun ang kinakailangan pagtugbayin sino yung nagpaputok, kung kanino sino unang nagpaputok, at kung reasonable ba yung pagpapaputok. Kasi dito sa Senado, ang katwiran nila, pinaprotektahan nila yung kanilang teritoryo, yung kanilang bahay So, kaya sila nag-armas at pinartingan yung nagtangkang pumasok dito. At na yung una, meron pang dinayan ng mga taga-NBI, pero nakumpirma naman eventually na talagang taga-NBI. Ngayon, merong isa na nahuli under custody, hindi lang klaro kung kaninong custody. Ang ating pag-intindi kanina kay Senate President Cayetano ay for inquest, so ibig sabihin, tatampahan na ng kaso. Recently, doon sa Philippine National Police, kapag may mga kaso, may mga insidente, nilalabas lang nila yung pangalan ng konkretong detalye kapag na-inquest na. Hindi kagaya ng dati na nakikita natin agad yung blatter, initial police report, hindi ba ngayon, hinintay nilang ma-inquest bago nila ibigay yung mga detalye. So yung hinintay pa rin tayo, pagkaman meron ng ganitong report na yung Senado nag-warning shot, yung pag-side ng Senate nag-warning shot, pagkatapos ng verbal warning na hindi daw sinunod ng kabilang side na tumutukoy sa NBI ay magpapatuloy pa rin ang investigasyon. At ang isa rin iginiit ni Cayetano, hindi diversionary, hindi totoo na state yung putukan para maglabas ng Senado at makatakas si Senator De La Rosa dahil sabi niya wala namang nakakaalam na mangyayari yung putukan kahapon. At ang isa pa, kahit na may nangyayari o anuman dito, anytime pwede naman lumabas si Senator De La Rosa. So umalis na dito sa Senado pagkatapos ng putukan at yan ay 2:30 ng madaling araw. Ilang oras matapos yung putukan. Magitin ko ng double bank sa mga sandali nito ay pinapasok kami dito sa area kung saan nangyari yung encuentro. Encuentro naman natin ang sabi, yung putukan dito sa Senate. Dito sa second floor, dito sa hallway, na naipakita natin sa video na nagpuputukan, ay natarinig natin yung putukan, clear itong area, malinis. Samantalang hindi pa kami nakakarating doon sa dulo mismo kung saan nakita yung mga tama ng bala at pinulot at ninarasahan yung area ng mga basto ng bala. Mamaya magbabalik ako upo dito. Ako si Nim Carabelo ng GMA sa radyo, DZBB, Balitang Totoo.
Salamat sa iyo, Nympha Ravelo, Double Wang sa Double B na po ito at labanan ng fake news.
Dapat totoo.
Babalik ko tayo, Laura.
El Ora.
Alas 4:30 na po ng hapon.
Ang oras na ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Playtime Entertainment. Born for Happiness.
Super Radio, DZBB, Balitang Totoo. DZBB, number 1 sa Mega Manila. Patagalin ang pag-ibig sa pamamagitan ng Rhino Herbal Tea. Makakatulong ito para palakasin ang stamina with proper diet and exercise. 39 pesos lang per sachet SRP. Available ito sa mga suking butika tulad ng Mercury, Watson's, Southstar, TGT at ibang partner na butika. Rhino Herbal Tea para laging astig.
Born to Shine original soundtrack.
Malayo pa yan, ma'am.
Now on Apple Music, iTunes, Spotify, YouTube Music, and other digital music stores worldwide.
Playtime Entertainment is an entertainment platform bringing together media,
Maligid sa'yo, yung pamilya mo kasi meron
nagkasakit.
Gastos
lang yan,
correct.
di ba? Buong pamilya. Gagastos, totoo. Na hindi kagaya dati na parang wala kang ibang iniisip masyado. And yun na nga, hindi masyado kasama sa sistema ng mas bata-bata, di ba, na sa earlier ages ng ating buhay, yung posibleng mga kaharapin mong sakit pag ikaw ay, yun ganyan, nagpigil ka sa ihi, at iba pa, at marami pa mga bagay.
Ito pinag-uusapan natin to yung pagpigil ng pag-ihi, no? Pero na-realize ko dito sa KHU, kasi hindi pala ibig sabihin na frequent yung urination. Yung madalas na umiihi naman ay healthy. Kasi
kagaya nung kanina, yung kwentuhan natin.
Yung madalas ka nang bumabalik sa CR, pero hindi ka naman nakakapag-release ng ng marami, di ba? Hindi mo lahat na ilalabas, hindi mo na i-empty. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na marami kang iniinom na fluid ay healthy. Kasi pwede yung naiinom mong fluid, Master James, ay merong caffeine content. Di ba? Kaya nga, ang best pa rin talaga dyan yung tubig eh. Di ba? Oo, tsaka, ito nga.
Super Radio. Tama ba yung nakalagay doon sa incident report? At saka doon sa kanilang report na sarili?
Ay, ano mo na, compare notes.
Compare notes mo na din. Hindi ganito yung script na ginawa namin, na bakit di ba ginawa ninyo? Ayan.
Huwag ka masyadong lilis.
Ay, pero lilis, oh. Bakit? May 20 raw yung tama doon sa bintana, dapat 15 lang.
Yung mga hechicera nga dyan, alam mo sabi, ay kung wala daw doon, huwag daw magbigay ng opinion at komento.
Ako naman.
Oo.
Hindi mo maialis sa tao yun dahil yung pinangyarihan po, pero ng tao pinababayad dyan. Parang sinira ho ninyo yung lugar na, no? Diba? Gano'n lang kasimple lang ho yun. Yung
aircon na ginagamit doon, sino nagbabayad?
Diba? Pera ho namin yan.
Yung kuryente ginagamit para may ilaw doon na pinatay.
Utang na lo. Malapit-lapit yung mga dito sa akin yung mga yan. Tapos kami patatakutin ho ninyo ng ganon. Parang hindi naman nyo yata maganda yun. Ay, nako.
Ay, baka kasi hindi lang sila. Baka kasi, di ba, ang merong main actor, merong main actress,
merong supporting,
at meron ding tinatawag na
kontrabida.
At saka meron ding, meron pa. Extra. Wala naman dun sa script, pero
biglang lumutan sa camera. Okay lang yung yun, no? At least, libre, hindi na kinakailang bayaran.
Saka nakakatawa, wala dun sa logout,
Ay, may copy ako nung logout din. Nasa na ba yun?
Oo nga, nakita ko rin merong lumabas ng 2:35.
Mas may nauna.
Pero wala yung kasama niya sa...
Ito, may kausap ako kanina. Wala silang record na lumabas ng bansa. Wala pang record na lumalabas. Pero, doon daw nakita, tama, yung kanina, pinapakinggan ko yung interview kay Attorney Jose, sa Terminal 3. Pero hindi doon sa International Lounge. Nando doon sa domestic. Domestic lang.
May domestic lounge pala. So alam na natin.
Kasi kanina, mukhang pati na ayaw magsalita eh.
Bakit?
Ang kinonfirm lang kanina, yung isang VIP na nagpunta ng NAIA kanina, Terminal 3, ay si Speaker Boji. Papuntang Isabela.
Walang ibang
Walang ibang VIP. Kasi pag ganyan, kina-classify nila as VIP yan eh.
Ay, tanungin natin sa Tweety Bird ito.
Ayan.
Kausapin natin, nasa kabilang linya po ang isa pong political scientist at public interest lawyer, si Attorney Jesus Falsis III. Attorney Jess, magandang hapon po.
Good afternoon sa inyong show. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Sabihin niyo po ng maaga ma'am para makapaghanap tayo ng motor.
May nasukit na pa ulit na ano pang kinakain ng mga bird.
Meron naman kaso i-clarify ko lang yung kanina sinabi ko nung umaga, yung pinaka-sinabi ng aking source ay nakita si Senator Robin sa VIP area. So hindi ko sinabi na sumakay sila, may nakita silang sumakay, wala pa po ako doon. So yun ang challenge ko actually kay Senator Robin or sa NAIA or sa relevant authorities, lalo na kung sa Cebu Pacific allegedly na may domestic flight now, na dapat sila maglabas ng mga flight manifest or kung may records man na sumakay si Senator Robin or si Senator Pato. Hindi yun yung sinasabi ng source ko. Sinasabi niya, nakita sa NAIA sa VIP area ng mga 4:10 a.m.
Pero attorney, hindi
Lagpas po ba ng stoplight, ma'am?
Na wala kang boarding pass.
Wala kang boarding pass. Unless,
Malay natin. Kasi alam mo, mga senador, ang sabihin nila,
unless, doon ka papasok sa OFW lounge.
Eh, saka yung kasama ng sticker, alam mo yung sticker na sinusuot natin kapag kami
Kapag wag ikaw break.
may COVID-19?
Oo.
Hindi, pero kung...
tsaka,
Oo.
ano po ako wala kasi akong alam dun, hindi kasi ako VIP eh.
Hindi, pero even yun. Kung nandun ka sa VIP, automatic may boarding pass ka.
Kung ikaw nagsabi, sir, paniniwalaan ko yan. Kasi wala akong alam kasi never ako nakapasok dun sa VIP lounge eh.
Ako yun nga yung unang-unang tinatanong. Kasi pwede sa credit card eh.
Oo.
Tapos siyempre may mga pagkakataon din na may nabibiyayaan tayo. Ang unang-unang tatanungin, sir, your boarding pass please.
O kasi, pag kung domestic ka, o international, automatic nakalagpas ka na ng immigration.
Oo. Pero kung
domestic ka,
security checks lang yun.
nakalagpas ka na doon sa X-ray yung security check nila. Nandun ka na sa hilera ng mga restaurant, yung mga kainan, na malapit ka doon sa mga gate.
Pero bago pa natin pag-usapan yung paglipat-lipat, no? Ang mas importante na itutukan is bakit halos sabay umalis mula sa Senado. Si Senator Robby at si Senator Bato. By the way, nasa logbook yan si Senator Robby 2:35 a.m.
Siya nga unang lumabas, di ba?
Si Senator Bato, 2:30 yan umalis. Kaso parang dinilit. Wala siya sa logbook na umalis ng 2:30. But sources say, and talagang they will die on this, talagang totoo daw, 2:30 a.m. Umalis si Senator Bato. So si Senator Robby 2:35. Bakit halos magkasabay?
Si Bato nga, di ba nasa hulihan pa nga ng listahan? Napo naman ba yun?
Nasa duluhan.
Nasa duluhan ng listahan mismo si Bato.
Pero ang ano nga rito, bakit parang sinisisi pa ng minority? Parang kung minority. Dahil hindi sila nag-Facebook live.
Oo nga eh. Yun na pala trabaho ng Senator.
Ito po?
Kailangan ng standard. Is nagpe-Facebook live ka kapag may shootout. Mali pa naman nila na magkaka-shootout. Eh syempre, umalis na sila sa sesyon. Ginamali siya, nagbibigay mali siya yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga DDS, na alam daw ng minority na magkaka-shootout. Kasabihan sila, kaya umalis daw sila ng maaga.
Binabago yung naratibo, di ba? Kaya na...
Tapos sila umalis ng maaga kasi nag-adjourn ng session ng maaga.
At saka,
After adjournment, umalis po sila.
Sige.
Ang pinakaunang umalis, Lito Lapid, 5:59 p.m. Nasa logbook yan.
Ala,
Pero
mahina
yung dalawa, ang
tingnan nyo na lang po yung ano nyo po, ma'am.
bakit po sila
Mahina
hindi
signal ko.
nag-stay?
Ayan, so mag-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
alright, sige.
Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless. Paalam po muna, pansamantala tayo ay gagawa ng ibang
Kung
video.
paano sila mapapanagot at sino ang pwede magpanagot sa kanila.
Walang iya.
Sa Pilipinas po, makakapagpanagot po sa ating mga senador ay ang tao kaya na po yan.
Paano po?
Eleksyon na po yan.